Eric, I recently read one of your blog posts. You mentioned a pretty bold statement that without planning and scheduling, maintenance will fail. Why is that? What happens if you don't have good planning and scheduling? What have you seen?
Yeah, so that's exactly what I was describing there. If you don't have good planning and scheduling, right? So you end up with an organization that is inefficient, that falls into firefighting, is not working on the right priorities, and so you become reactive. Reliability goes down, costs will go up. So maintenance planning and scheduling is all about creating a stable work environment for the guys at the front line, making sure that they have the tools and the resources and the people they need to do the jobs, to do them well. And then continuously improve that. Maintenance is repetitive, right? Preventive maintenance obviously is repetitive by definition, but even most of our corrective maintenance we do over and over just because we have dominant failure modes in our assets. And that's where planning and scheduling really comes in, right? Because you prepare the jobs, you get them ready, and then you execute them, and then you review and you do it better next time. And that's how you drive this efficiency in your organization. And being efficient in executing your maintenance means you get time to start thinking about, okay, well, what is going wrong? Where can we do better? And if you don't have that stability in your working environment that gives you the ability to look ahead and start thinking and become proactive, you're stuck in the reactive firefighting mode, which unfortunately a lot of assets around this world are stuck in. And it's a pretty depressing, pretty sad place to be.
I mean, it definitely takes a toll on you, working in this firefighting mode all the time. We've seen so many of our customers be in that mode.